श्री विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती ठाकुर की
जय।
जय। श्रावण लहरी की जय। न योगसिद्धिर् नामस्तु मोक्षो वैकुण्ठलोकेऽपि न पश्यदर्थम् प्रेमापत्ति न स्यात् इति चेत्तरां तु वामस्तु वृन्दावन एव वाच तारां चनुर्यत्र वीथिर्ययाचे सद्भक्तचूडामणि ओधावोऽपि वीक्ष्वैव घोरां तदस्मि मामस्तु वृन्दावन एव वास किं विकृतं हन्त तापक्षितीति गोप्योऽपि भूमेषु वति स्म कीर्तिम् येनैव कृष्णाङ्घ्रिपदाङ्कितेऽस्मिन् मामस्तु वृन्दावन एव वास गोपाङ्गनानां पततैव यत्र यस्यां रसपूर्णतामत्वं आप यतो रसो स इति श्रुतिस्तन् मामस्तु वृन्दावन एव वास मन्दिर गोवर्धन रासपथे त्रिसीमकेयोजन पञ्चकेन मीते विभुत्वा अमीतेऽपि चास्मि मामस्तु वृन्दावन एव वास यत्राधिपत्यं विश्वभानुपूज्या येनोदयेत् प्रेम सुखं जनानाम् यस्मिन् मामाशा बलवत्यतोऽस्मिन् मामस्तु वृन्दावन एव वास यस्मिन् महारास विलासलीला न प्रापयां श्रीरापि सा तपोभिः तत्रोलस्य मञ्जुनिकुञ्जपुञ्जे मामस्तु वृन्दावन एव वास सदा रुरुण्यन्कु मुखाविशङ्कम् हेरन्ति कुञ्जन्ति पीकालिकीरा शिखण्डिनो यत्र नर्तन्ति तस्मिन् मामस्तु वृन्दावन एव वास वृन्दावनास्यास्तकम् एतदुच्चे पठन्ति ये निश्चल बुद्धयस्ते वृन्दावने शाङ्ग्रि सरोजसेवम् सक्षालभन्ते जनुषोऽन्त एव श्री वृंदावन अष्टकम की जय। श्री प्रभुपाद की जय। श्री गुरु महाराज की जय। हरे
Jai.
कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Karuna. Very beautiful. Riyaj, you can read.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, thank you.
Translation.
Oh, did we lose you? Can't hear you, Riansh.
Raji, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Raji, shall I start from the starting?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Translation 1. Let me not have mystic powers, impersonal liberation, the Lord's association in Vaikuntha, or even pure love for Him, if instead of them I may reside in Vrindavana. 2. When Brahma and Uddhava, the crushed jewels of devotees, saw the intense sweetness here, they begged to take birth here even as a blade of grass. For this reason, I pray to reside in Vrindavana. 3. Here the gopis glorified the earth, saying, O earth, what ashes have you done? So that your surface is now marked with Krishna footprints. May I reside in Vrindavana. 4. May I reside in Vrindavana, where because the Vedas say Raso Vaisa, the Supreme Personality of God held is sweetness, transcendental sweetness attained its highest perfection in the gopis' passionate love. 5. All the 5 yojanas in circumference, bounded by Bandi Ravana, Govardhana Hill, and the Rasa and Sarena, it is unlimited in transcendental opulence. May I reside in Vrindavana. 6. Because Rishabhanu's daughter is the queen, and because here the happiness of pure love of God rises, I yearn to live here. I pray. May I reside in Vrindavana. 7. Even by performing many austerities, Goddess Lakshmi could not enter the great Rasa dance pastime here. May I reside in the splendidly beautiful groves of Vrindavana. 8. May I reside in Vrindavana where the Ruru and Nayanku deer fearlessly play, the cuckoos, bumblebees, and parrots sing, and the peacocks dance. 9. They who with great concentration read aloud this Vrindavan Ashtaka at the end of this life attend direct service to the lotus feet of Vrindavana's master. Thank you, Professor Krishna.
Thank you so much, Riansh. That was a wonderful reading. So, this is Vrindavanastakam, and the reason why we're singing this is because Lord Jagannath today goes to Vrindavan in his Rath Yatra. So, Vrindavan is such a special place, and I was quite impressed by this verse here, where Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying he doesn't want mystic power or impersonal liberation or even the Lord's association in Vaikuntha. He doesn't even want pure love for him. This is incredible. He just wants to reside in Vrindavan because everything is pre-existing in Vrindavan. Even love of Godhead is automatically present there. Why? Because of this reason here. There's the transcendental sweetness is there due to the gopis' passionate love for the Supreme Lord and the Supreme Lord's reciprocal love for them. And even Goddess Lakshmi, who is the wife of Lord Narayan, cannot enter in Vrindavan. Such a special place. So this is a great goal to have. Anything you would like to share, Karuna?
I remember very long back when devotee was doing a lecture or something, and then he was saying that whenever we are in Vrindavan, we should be very careful not to even think about why are the monkeys doing that, why are there the pigs around. So
Yes.
these may be very great Vaishnav, that's why they are there. We never know, so we should be very careful in Vrindavan when we are there.
Very good point. Yes, very, very good point. Yeah, because we go with the material vision and we see
Yeah.
with our concocted vision things which actually
Mm.
now is such a pure place. But Maya is so strong. But that's a very good point. Thank you so much for sharing that, Karuna. So na yoga siddhi na namaste na mamaste. This is official name is Vrindavanastikam by Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur Nistavar Amarta Lahari. विश्वनाथ चक्र ठाकुर की जय, वृंदावन धाम की जय, श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय, जगन्नाथपुरी की जय, जगन्नाथपुरी रथ यात्रा की जय।